Jai Gurudev. We should not believe these stupid communist Naxalites at any cost. Around 40 years back, when the Russia was in a high developed country in the world, and they said all these things against rituals and pujas and everything like that. Why are you doing these rituals and pujas and following God? See that country Russia, which don't follow God and which don't do any pujas or rituals to God, and they became highly developed country in the world, and we became poor country in the world. Like that, they did so many advertisings like that against India, saying that we should also follow Russia and we should become atheist country and we should not believe God and everything, and we should not do puja and rituals, and like that they did so many horrible things and horrible advertisements all over India like this. But when Russia collapses and most of the people became beggars in that country, after 1992 when Russia collapses, most of the people of that country Russia became beggars and begging on the streets. That did so much good things to India, because these communist Naxalites then stopped praising Russia and then somewhat started believing in Hindu rituals, and some people somewhat believing God also like that. But now these communist Naxalites are starting same thing again. That see China, which was a communist Naxalite country and it is highly developing. We also believe that China and we should become atheist and we should not believe God and everything like that. Again, these people are doing same thing which communists did in same thing communists did in 1970s, 80s and 90s like that. Same thing these people are doing again like that. See China, it is highly developing country. We should follow China and we should not believe in God and we should not do any rituals, puja, and we should not do any customs like that. These stupid communist Naxalites are doing same thing like that. We should not believe these communists at any cost. We should believe God, praise God, do puja and rituals to God like anything, as much as we can, and we worship God like anything. These communists are do stupid things like this always. Even once they failed also, they again do these things like this, and we should not believe in them. Even after Russia collapse, then so we should not believe these communists and communist Naxalites propagations and things like that, atheists and propagation of atheists and things like that. And we should not believe God, worship God, do puja to God and other rituals to God, and we can reject some rituals because of time tested. There will be some rituals which are not useful right now. We can reject that ritual, those some rituals. We can reject some rituals, and we should follow many rituals. Because of those times there is no electricity and things like that. Those people, because of no electricity and no technology, some rituals of the past people did in some rituals in past because of no technology and no electricity and things like that. We should reject some of the rituals like that, but we should follow so many good rituals in Hinduism, in Sanatana Dharma. Jai Gurudev.